Hello बच्चों, let us see the question. The question says if A is a square matrix of order 2 and determinant of A will be equals to 10, then trace of A whole square minus trace A square is equals to dash. Key concept to solve this particular problem is if A is a 2 cross 2 matrix, so this matrix having element x1, y1 and x2, y2. This will be your 2 cross 2 matrix. Then trace of A will be equals to your x1 plus y. Given that determinant of A is equals to 10, let us consider a matrix. Let A is equals to A, B, C, D, which is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Then A square will be your A, B, C, D multiplied with again a matrix A, B, C, D. So that will be your A square plus BC, AC plus CD, then BD, AB plus BD, BC plus D square. Okay, that will be. Let us solve for trace of A will be your. So here A plus D is the trace of A, then trace of A square will be your A square plus BC plus D square. A square plus BC plus so that will be equals to your A square plus 2BC plus D square. So trace A whole square minus trace A square will be equals to A plus D whole square minus A square plus 2BC plus D square. So that will be your plus B का whole square क्या हो जाएगा A square plus D square plus 2AD minus ब्रैकेट ओपन कर लेते हैं A square minus 2BC minus D square. So plus D square minus D square plus A square minus A square are cancelled out. So 2AD minus 2BC is left out. So that will be your taking 2 common, then what we have 2D AD minus BC. So determinant of A matrix will be what? AD minus BC. So can we put AD minus BC will be equals to what? 10, which is given. So that will be, therefore we can write then trace A square minus trace A square each equals to. I hope you must understand the explanation. Thank you.